check. Yo, we are getting started here early. Yeah. What's good, everybody? DrewCharts here. We're looking at MNQ right now via Wealth Charts. I'm almost at the point of passing these Velocity funded family futures accounts. As you see, my realized P&L. The target goal is 4K. So I got 22, 17, 17, 17. So I'm halfway there on 4 accounts, and when we pass, we'll be funded on funded family futures with 4 accounts. Let me show you what their stuff looks like. And this is funded futures family. They have good rules. I like that when you get to the funded stage. I have been funded with them before, and with a 50K account, you needed a $3,000 profit target, and once you made the 3K, you would get paid out 1250. So yeah, got the velocity plan. This is live trailing down draw. So if you go up $500 and your stop loss is $500 and it comes all the way back and stops you out, you're actually down 1,000, not just 500. So that's tricky for some people, but I manage. So I got the 50K account, $4,000 profit target, 5 minis max, 50 micros. I like that you get 2250 of drawdown, because with the Premier Plus, you only get 1500 drawdown. And yes, your profit target's 1,000 less, but you get $750 extra risk. You could pass in one day, that's cool. But what I like about the velocity plan is this shit is $25 fucking dollars. $25. Let me sign in my back office so I can show y'all the streak I've been on this too. Oh, we looking nice. We up for $850 for the week. Wait, let me go to the account that's green. So we've been green the last 4 weeks, or 3. On these, I got the new set of accounts this week right here, the 15th, but I didn't take any trades until 19th. So week, 2 weeks ago, 411 for the week. Last week, 582. Or 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 411. 2 weeks ago, 582. Last week, 346. And this week, we're looking to clear 1,500 for the week profit. But yeah, funded family futures. Also, what I like about this is you could add multiple accounts if you want to just buy 5. Boom. Make it easy. Right, you got 5 accounts there. And this is 150K velocity. So 5 150K accounts for 325. I like the 50Ks just because shorter profit target, 4K instead of 10K. So refresh cards. Velocity plan 50K. Look, minimum days to pass 3. 40% consistency. No, don't ever reset your account for 650, because for 125 you can get 5 sets of accounts 5 times and try to pass before. Just pass again. Don't do that. That's dumb. Tradeovate or Wealth Charts. I have Wealth Charts, but if I do get another set of accounts, it's going to be Tradeovate. I fuck with Wealth Charts though, but So purchase, plan, velocity 50, price 125, but with code BDM it's 25 bucks. Look, boom, $25. 2, 3, 4. You can get 5 accounts for $125. 5 50K velocity accounts for 125. That's what I love about it. We are up $20 on the day. Took a pre-market trade and closed out just because would have got stopped out too for minus 140. So I'm glad I took that. So yeah, man, what are we looking at? Let's change this time frame, right? Let's do the daily, because what I like to do when I'm starting my trading day, I like to mark out previous day highs, previous day lows, horizontal line. So this is the previous daily candle. Just mark the high, boom. You want to add text, PDH, do another horizontal line, come tap that low, boom. Add text, previous day low. So what I'm looking for on NASDAQ is for one of these to be violated, all right? And if you don't want to wait, you could potentially see how we're downtrending. You could potentially target, if I'm like, oh, structure saying we're going to go down to the previous day low, and then we're going to take those out before recovering and heading back to the upside. You could take a sell down to the previous day lows. You don't have to wait, but I'm waiting for one of these to be violated and then price to pop back in and reverse to the opposite direction. So yeah. But if I see price creates an bullish engulfing to the upside, I might take it to go to the previous day highs. And then when price pops out, get out. Because it's likely that it will reverse. Not definite, but likely. Yeah. Let's do it from yesterday's. I'm going to move this previous day high. As you see on this side, I moved it to yesterday's candle and then the low from yesterday's candle. So let me delete this out. So yesterday, this line right here was our previous day low. We went up. We took out previous day highs. We closed back in with a bearish engulfing variation and then violently dropped all the way down to the previous day lows, right? We swept previous day lows and then violently popped back in. So many moves could have been had yesterday. And now we are waiting for the same thing to happen today. A violation of the previous day highs or previous day lows, pop back in, take the reversal. All this paired with market structure, time frame correlation is a very high probability trading strategy. Trade copia, however it's pronounced. Let's look at it. I'll put it on my main screen right here. That's what my trade copia is looking like. I got 3 funded accounts that I get paid from with my Apex accounts right here. PA. And then I got 2. The water done? another look at some MFU video. Yeah, so Lucid, profit target 9K. So I'm only $2,800 away from passing my Lucid evals, and we'll be funded with Lucid with 250K accounts. Excited for that. Today could be the day. I could hit a trade for 2,800. Who knows? If the opportunity presents itself, I'm gonna execute. So yeah, previous day highs, previous day lows. Do the same thing on MYM, okay? MYM, US 30. We already have ours marked out. Wait for one of them to be violated and look for the reversal. Not every time is it going to happen. It's not going to always violate and reverse. Sometimes it's going to violate, use as, if it's going down, if it violates previous day lows, it'll use it as resistance and then continue to the downside. So, not every day it will reverse, but a lot of times it will. But also you have to know where you're at in structure, if you're making higher highs and higher lows. And yeah. It looks like, to me, it looks like it wants to sell. Because we have price. Let me draw a level of resistance. Price failed to break above this blue line, broke back below, and we are respecting this level of resistance at this point in time. And then we have a 4-hour candle body closure below this zone right here. So I definitely see price continuing to the downside. Who's Vin? Yeah. Uh-huh. She's mad at you. Same concept with people that ask 1,000,001 questions and then they get the price and they're like, ah. And then people that ask no questions, you tell them the price and they said send payment. This buy looks phenomenal, actually. We got on stream early, so we still have 20 minutes till market open. But hey, it shit looks good. Previous day high marked out, previous day low marked out. Uh, let's keep one an hour chart over here. Look at this hour engulfing. Double bottom. I feel like we can easily take this up to previous day highs. But let's see. I agree with you, babe.
Huh?
I said I agree with you.
What do you agree on?
Finishing this league and getting my average up before I do the other one.
And what made you come to this conclusion?
I was just thinking about it this morning. Like, I want at least a 200 average before I go join the USB. I would hate to be USBC average of 160, 170, like 1 or 200. And if I rush, um, and I don't have all my balls, it's just not a great look.
I'm glad you came around. We'll get there.
Glad you came around, she said. You seen that Chow Cyrus story?
The what?
The Asian guy that shot the kid?
Yeah.
How you chase somebody down and claim I was scared for my life, self defense? Bro, you were chasing him down the road.
I'll put a water bottle nonetheless.
And the kid looked a lot like Trayvon Martin, too. I don't know if like somebody did some AI shit, but
Or maybe he was thirsty, but this is wine. Just stay away. Like even my nail tech is literally Puerto Rican and Dominican because that's who I prefer to like give my money to. Why would I go to like a Chinese nail shop? You don't even like me.
facts.
Like I'm not gonna go get my nails done by fucking Latina nail artist.
Facts. in the Wealth Charts app, you also have your user set risk, where you can set everything. As you see, I have a max loss limit of $500 a day, and I have a max profit target of $1,600 in a day. And the reason it's at $1,600 is because with the 40% consistency rule, if I make $600 or less, I'm good, and I will pass in 3 days. And then, like, if I put in a trade and I'm not watching it, as soon as my P&L hits 1600, it'll close the trade out automatically, and vice versa. If I'm down and it hits 500, it'll close it out immediately. We have not seen anything really happen thus far. We're still waiting. Nothing's gonna happen till market open. We got market open in 9 minutes. Let's go to YouTube and check the sound on this bad daddy. How you doing? The sound is sounding amazing. You can actually hear me. I'm speaking up. It's even echoing. It sounds so good. Check. Alrighty. What will get violated first? Previous day highs, previous day lows? I don't know, but whatever it violates, we will look to see if it comes back in the zone to reverse or if it uses it as a level of support or resistance to continue in the direction that it broke. Very simple, straight to the point. What do I want to see? It's not about that. It's not about what I want to see. So don't ask me that again, buddy. Thanks. What do I want to see? Watch your mouth. Talking to me crazy in my chat. You better stop before I have the mod get on that ass. I'll call Aaliyah in a minute and she'll pull up and mod this motherfucker. You don't want to see Aaliyah pull up. Give that ass the boot with the quickness. They actually call her Leah Boot. Believe it or not. No Toy Story. Leah Boot.
Wait, what?
I don't know, bro. I'm just talking. 5 minutes to market open. If we could get a dip down here, get triggered in and take it up to past these accounts. I'm looking to pass these accounts with the trade I take today, $2,700, and we'll be past. Well, let's see if we see what we need to. On the 10-day winning streak on my Lucid account, so I wanna keep that going. So I don't want to just getting anything. I want to get in a high probability setup, one that's gonna win. Because who doesn't like to win, you know? Clappers on, clappers off. They actually, somebody's nickname used to be called the Mad Clapper. And I was like, wow, is he in like a Willy Wonka world or something? Like the Mad Hatter? But they were like, no. Like, oh, okay. This higher low was just created on the 1 minute. I wouldn't be surprised if we explode to the upside on NASDAQ, given the open. Like, I kind of want to take it pre-market, but yeah, I'll wait. Market open in 3 minutes. I set a limit right here because if we do push below this wick, we'll get tapped in. Let me actually do it to here. Look, we have this V. Nice 1 minute VBS setup. Man, this is so suspenseful because market open is in 2 minutes, and freaking we've been here for the last hour looking at the chart and nothing has happened, and it's just like, where is it gonna go? You know, alrighty. Trade Locker Live, we'll be loading some funds into a live account for next trading week. Gonna see what we could do with 250. You need at least 250 to trade Nasdaq on CFDs because that shit moves so quick. Like you could lose or make $80 in a candle. There's no way this Nasdaq is not going to the upside though. Like there's no way. Come on, a minute 19 until market open. A minute 19. If Adrian was here at home right now, she'd say higher highs and higher lows. Let's see. See if we can go get tapped in on a higher low and then take off to the upside. Come on. Come on. 43 seconds. 40. 39. 38. 37. Come on now. What you know about rolling down in the deep? 20 seconds till market open. Tell Aaliyah she wouldn't understand. Uh-oh. 2 seconds. 1. There we go. It's open. Oh, taking off. I fucking knew it. I knew Nasdaq was sending to the upside. Knew it. Look at that shit. Ah. Should have took that one contract and took my risk off immediately. Yup, we got US 30 going to the downside. Let's see if we can get to 50,540 and reject to the upside. 50,540 and reject to the upside is what I would like to see. 50,540. Come on. Come on. What are we violating first? Previous day highs or previous day lows, huh? Let's see that. Come on. Where are we going with it? Ooh, tested candle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. To the downside. Uh-oh. Y'all don't even really know what's going on right now. For real, though. Like, y'all have no idea what's going on right now. Not one. Fib retracement. What level? Huh? Uh-oh. Holy shoot. Sent it to the downside. Oh. Oh. What happened? You cracked my egg? Come on. I kind of want to take this. I kind of want to take this buy to the upside. Like, This is beautiful. But I also do want to see that 61.8 retracement level. 50,540, like I said before. Let's set a limit, and if it don't get hit, then we don't get in. Simple. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Come on. Let's set that limit. Come on. Oh, man. This is, yo, you know how many people already got smoked right now because they were in buys and then prices coming back down lower? Like, a lot of people got it handed to them, I'm telling you. Patience is a virtue, especially in trading. And then if you need something specific to happen to get into a trade and that shit don't happen, don't get in a trade. Don't try to start telling yourself, oh, well, this and this happened, but it's not what you originally said was going to happen.
Sir.
I don't think they saw.
Your streams are creepy. I was ever in a stream like this.
Look at the camera. Can you see?
I mean, I know you're doing something. I may not know
Yeah,
what it is, but
exactly. So, hush.
one could presume. Right?
If this 30-minute candle closes lower than 50% of this blue candle, we're probably going to go violate PDL before going to PDH.
Want me to bring you your egg
I'll take care of it soon, babe. Thank you.
Are you having meat for lunch?
Along with my chicken from yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some pieces in there.
Oh, you have chicken from yesterday?
Yeah, because I ate the meat, I didn't eat the chicken. Man, Nasdaq to the downside. Holy ish. Look, come on. Look what I say. 50,540. Boom. Touched it. Now let's reverse. Now let's reverse. Don't keep dropping. Oh, you see? Look at how we bounced off of accuracy. 50,540. Go run the tape back. And look. Oh my goodness. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. I'm nice. That's it. And then we violate this. We come below it a little bit, and then we explode to the upside. Oh my goodness, he's accurate as. He's accurate AF. Accurate AF. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Now we need price to create market structure so we have something to execute, we have something to get in on, we have our stops at a place it won't come back, and if it does, that trade is invalidated. We were wrong, but we're not going to be wrong because we're waiting for the proper data. I really like entering trades around 10 a.m., 10:30 because you give price a little more time to develop what it's trying to tell you, to develop the story, all right? Look at that shit. We tapped the 61.8 perfectly, and then we head to the upside, man. If I left my limit, I'd be up ridiculous right now. Not ridiculous, but I'd be up. That's for sure. I'd be up 500. But hey, this could still be a lower high, and then we could continue lower. You know, it's still a possibility. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let it rain. Clear it out. Let it rain. Clear it out. Let's get it. 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 Oh, 370. All right, we in Nasdaq buys for our. Look at that for our wealth charts accounts. Up 32 points already off rip. Up 50 points already off rip. 65 points already off rip. Come on. Come on. Up 70 points. You shitting me? Oh, we got a beautiful 1 minute engulfing over this zone. I'm having a little hard time breaking it, looks like. My NASDAQ trade, I'm not even going to hold you. I want to close out because that's what I'm used to. Not because anything's invalidated, is because thinking about losing hurts my heart. But it's like it's part of the game. It's going to happen sometimes. But you know how much profit I cut myself off from making because I close out early? And today, I'm not doing that. I'm going to hold the trade. Worst case scenario, I get stopped out. I lose $400. My average trade amounts range, average probably like 6 to 8. So $400 is minuscule to what I'm used to making. But on the flip side, when it goes to TP, I'll be one more trading day away from passing and having 4 funded accounts with FFF. So is the risk worth the reward? Yeah, hell yeah. Will NASDAQ likely go to violate those previous day highs? Yeah, I think so. I think the probability is high. So we're going to hold on to it. Oh my gosh! I'm over here talking and US 30 is freaking booming. Booming. Golly. About to get in buys for US 30. But also we didn't close above here. Look at that. What did I say? What price did I say? 5540. 50,540. We tapped it and then took off in the opposite direction. Man, the accuracy is ridiculous. We would have been up currently 690 already, like, but it's okay. We could probably wait for a little more confirmation. The 30-minute candle still hasn't closed yet, so we still got 18 minutes. A lot can happen in 18 minutes. All right, a lot can happen in 18 minutes. That's 18 more of these little candles. If we do get one more 1 minute candle to break above this right here, I'm in that hole. Sorry, I'm in it. Just need one candle, body closure above this line, and I'm in it. Boom, boom, 540. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, goony google. Come on. Whoa, damn it. It entered me. All right, well, we in it. All right, my trades are placed. I'm gonna go to work. I gotta go get a ride.
Your
Yeah,
plates are your plates. Good, honey. Didn't take too long. You saw what you needed to see.
correct. And I'm up already $70. But hopefully we hit take profit, and I pass these accounts, and I will look to enter these trades on my funded up 200 already. Like, come on, bro, I do this shit. Thank you for locking in with me. Thank you for tuning in. Shit, yeah, we already up crazy $200 already. I loved it. I think I might leave this on here for an extra 20 minutes, and then I'll have Aaliyah close it out. I am gonna turn my camera off though, and my microphone. But so you see, you know what? No, I'm just gonna close out. Thank you guys. We'll lock in. I'll let you know how the trades went, and have a great trading day. Love, Drew Charts here. See you later. Bye.